Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows 10 lock screen has a black background with no wallpaper on it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Either left click on the little gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it should say settings, or alternatively type in settings into the start menu search. You just want to open up the modern UI settings window here. Go ahead and left click on the personalization tile. On the left side, left click on lock screen. And now on the right side you want to scroll down where it says show lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen. If it's currently turned off, you just want to toggle it to the on position by clicking inside the oval one time. Once you're done with that, close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer and seeing if the lock screen now is showing an illustration or a picture, or it's still blank. If you are still experiencing a problem here, you want to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in performance. Best match should come back will adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go ahead and left click on that one time. You want to make sure where it says animate windows when minimizing and maximizing is turned on. Should be the second option here. And then go ahead and left click on apply and OK if it was not. Otherwise just click on OK to close out of that screen. Restart your computer, and again hopefully that should be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.